Assalamu alaikum. This is Fakhrul Islam, lecturer of English, Mujahideen Islami Alim Madrasa. Welcome to you to my class. This is our online class, Mujahideen Madrasa online class. This class is about tense and it is for all classes, especially Alim first year and second year. It's about tense. The tense means the time duration, times. ভার্ব নিষ্পন্ন হওয়ার সময়কে টেন্স বলে, ভার্ব মানে ক্রিয়া, ক্রিয়া নিষ্পন্ন হওয়ার সময়কে টেন্স বলে। এটা সবসময় ভার্বের উপর ডিপেন্ড করে এবং ভার্ব কখন শেষ হচ্ছে, ভার্বের কাজটি কখন শুরু হচ্ছে কখন শেষ হচ্ছে, এই সময়টি মূলত টেন্সকে নির্দেশ করে। ভার্বের কাজ যদি বর্তমানে চলে তাহলে ইট ইজ প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স, যদি অতীতে হয়ে যায় সেটি পাস্ট টেন্স, যদি ফিউচারে ভবিষ্যতে হবে সেটা ভবিষ্যৎকাল আর ফিউচার টেন্স। So let's discuss about tenses. At first, I have written the definition of tenses. ভার্ব বা ক্রিয়া নিষ্পন্ন হওয়ার সময়কে টেন্স বলে। ভার্ব বা ক্রিয়া নিষ্পন্ন হওয়ার সময়কে টেন্স বলে। টেন্স অর্থ কাল বা সময়। There are three kinds of tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present tense indicate the present situation. Present tense indicate the present situation or present time. The past tense indicate the past duration, past times, and future tense indicate the future time. ভবিষ্যতের সময়কে নির্দেশ করে future tense. There are also four kinds of all tenses. Present tense, there are four kinds of present tense: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. We will discuss about the structure of all tenses, structures and example all together. Let's start present tense. Present tense and present tense. There are four kinds of present tense: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. What is the structure of present indefinite? At first, subject plus verb, base form of verb plus object. And example, subject যদি আমরা লিখি আই, ভার্বের বেস ফর্ম হবে আই রিড এ বুক। আই রিড আ বুক, আমি একটি বই পড়ি। হিয়ার আই ইজ সাবজেক্ট, রিড ইজ ভার্ব and present form also, and its object. Present continuous. What's the structure of present continuous? Subject plus am, is অথবা are plus ভার্বের সাথে ing, ভার্বের বেস ফর্মের সাথে ing plus object. Subject plus am, is, are plus ভার্বের বেস ফর্মের সাথে ing plus object. The example: subject I, am, is, are. I এর সাথে auxiliary verb হবে am. I am verb read present form তার সঙ্গে ing reading. I am reading a book. Is the example of present continuous tense. Then present perfect. Present perfect, structure of present perfect: subject plus have অথবা has plus verb PP, past participle form of verb plus object. What is the subject? Here the subject is I. Subject is I লিখলাম, then have অথবা has. I prepare have. I have, I যেহেতু ফার্স্ট পারসন সিঙ্গুলার নাম্বার, সেই জন্য I এর পরে have হবে I have verb fifi. If the verb is read, the fifi form of read is read. I have read a book. I have read a book. Then present perfect continuous. Structure of present perfect continuous: subject plus have been অথবা has been plus verb এর সাথে ing plus object. Subject plus have been plus has been plus verb এর সাথে ing plus object. Here the subject is I have been. I have been. Verb যদি হয় read, তাহলে হবে reading a book. I again repeat the structure of present definite tense: subject plus verb present form plus object. Past continuous: subject plus am is are plus verb base formation ing plus object. Present perfect tense: subject plus have অথবা has plus verb fifi plus object. Present perfect continuous tense: subject plus have been plus has been plus verb ing plus object. I have written the structures along with examples. Then we will discuss about past tense with example. Past tense indicate the past duration, past times. Past tense. Past indefinite. Structures of past indefinite: subject plus past form of the verb plus object. Verb past form plus object. There are three kinds of form of verb: present, past and past participle. Example: we or he. He was. Subject he. Verb was. The first form of was is was. He was an online class. Then past continuous. What is the structure of past continuous? Subject plus was, were plus verb ing plus object. Subject plus was, were plus verb ing base formation ing plus object. Here the subject he was অথবা were. He was. He third person singular number, জন্য he এর পরে was হবে he was. যদি verb was হয় তাহলে হবে watching, w a t c h i n g, watching an online class. The third, past perfect. Past perfect. Structures of past perfect: subject plus had, only had, plus verb fifi plus object. Fifi means past participle form of verb. If the subject is he, then verb had. The past participle form of verb, here the verb is was. Was an online class. perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Subject plus had been. Subject plus had been plus verb এর সাথে ing plus object. The subject, if the subject is he, then had been. verb যদি হয় watch তাহলে হবে watching. and online class. Finished present tense and past tense. Now we shall discuss about future tense. Future tense indicate the future times. There are also four kinds of future tense: future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous. Future tense. At first, future indefinite. What is the structure of future indefinite? Subject plus shall अथवा will plus verb base form plus object. Subject plus shall अथवा will plus verb present form plus object. The example: we shall अथवा will, we prefer shall, we shall play cricket. Here the subject is we, shall अथवा will থেকে আসবে shall. The base form of the verb play base form of play, then object cricket. Then future continuous. What is the structure of future continuous? Subject plus shall be plus will be, shall be अथवा will be plus verb এর সাথে ing plus object. Subject plus shall will be, shall be अथवा will be plus verb এর সাথে ing হবে plus object. If the subject is we use we as a subject, then we shall be verb এর সাথে ing, verb এর base form এর সাথে ing. If the subject verb is shall, if the subject verb is play, then it will be playing. We shall be playing cricket. Then future perfect. What is the structure? Future perfect. Subject plus shall have, will have. That means shall have, will have plus verb pp plus object. The example is subject we shall have अथवा will have, we shall have, we use shall have. The pp form of play is play cricket. The number 4, future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. Subject plus shall have been. The structure: subject plus shall have been, will have been, plus verb এর সাথে ing plus object. The example: if the subject is we shall use we, Then shall have been. Shall have been. Shall have been. We shall have been. Verb এর সাথে ing the verb is play. Then playing. Playing cricket. Is the end of all the structures and example of tenses. I hope you understand or understood the fact about tenses, structures and example along with, and it's the soul of the English language. You should understand or memorize the structure, then practice the example with. All the parts of grammar, English grammar, you should use these tenses. When we are practice about, we will practice about narration, voice or transformation sentence, completing sentence, pronoun reference, etc. We shall use about these tenses, and these tenses will make you the perfect about English literature. I hope that you will practice in your home, at your home, repeatedly again and again, then you will perfect man English. Okay, this is the complete of our lesson. Next time আবার দেখা হবে। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।